Can you tell me something about your profession?
Okay, actually, I joined this company in 2022 August month. Previously, I am working as a site engineer in solar field, but nowadays, my profession will change, and right now I am working at a hydropower plant. It is not a hydropower; it is the modified form of the hydropower plant, which is called PSP, pump storage power. So right now I'm working here as a civil engineer.
How did civil engineering happen for you? Was it passion, accident, or family influence?
Passion, actually it is a passion and family influence both.
Okay. When you
For me,
uh-huh.
for me,
Yeah.
for the family suggestions also, and I also want to do the civil engineering.
When you were studying, did you imagine the work to look like how it's actually is now, or reality surprised you?
Reality surprised me.
Okay.
Because whenever because when I study in my study time, I think that civil engineering is the different visit the engineering constructed the building, go to the infrastructure, and but when I joined the company and I am coming in the working, I found that there are lots of the things that we have to keep in mind during the construction and during the constructions and building is something, because not only making the building is not only the civil engineering. Before starting the building of the civil engineering, you have to do the survey, you have to estimate the cost, you have to estimate the material, and you have to make the design of the building, road, any structure you should have to design. So there are lots of the thing in civil engineering before starting a single work. Because at my study time, I think that we should take the cement everywhere and mixtures, and we can construct anything in any type of buildings. But it is not correct, because at some places where the black curtains are you can't make the building there. It is possible to make the building, but you have to go in very deep level of the study before making the building there, and before making any structure there.
Okay.
Yeah, so it is very different. Surprisingly, once when you come in for it will be surprised.
Okay. Any moment when you thought I gave up, and what pulled you back?
Actually, when I joined this company, I'm selecting. I'm not coming as a civil engineer. I'm coming as a lead engineer to lead the project. But at my starting time, I joined as a in solar field. So I have to watch maximum electrical related works instead of the civil related works. So at that time, I'm totally get confused at how I can handle, how I can do. And the most interesting thing that my first job location is in south, especially in Tamil Nadu. So at there it is for me totally, it is surprised for me. First of all, I have to face the language issue. I'm not able to understand what the people want to say me, what the messages people want to convey me. So second thing, that the environment. Third is that I don't have much knowledge about the electrical, and so I'm good. And also most of the people don't able to work in field. They are not majority of their brain is not able to come in the field. So I'm that at the starting I'm that type of person, because it is for me everything is different. So at that time I thought that I should give up. But my family, but my brother and my family is telling me, don't give up. It is the Tata Power company. Once you are very lucky that you got that job in Tata. You are in Tata Power. So you should don't give up. Once you should try. Once you should try, you should spend a couple of months there. If you are not able to do, then ask to your manager to give that transfer to the north region, to the Jharkhand, to the east region. Then after it, you should give up. If you are not able to do at that time, then you should give up.
Okay. Does India need more ambitious infrastructure or better planning for what we already have?
Yes. India needs.
Okay.
Remember, as the working style of the India is very too much slow.
Oh.
As you can see that US, if you see the China, if you see the Japan, they build the build the infrastructure within the months. But here, to build one road, it takes many years, so 4 years, 5 years to make a single road. There are lots of the things is coming. Sometimes survey is not done the proper way. Sometimes the estimation is not done in the proper way. Sometimes engineers, what I can say, greedy engineers came and they just exploit the material and they do the project for the earning purpose. Sometimes the quality engineers are failed to do the survey. So India needs the better technology and better supervision for the construction of the road. Also, the planning is of the India is very poor, as I can feel. Because if you see the American, they have the pre-built apps. They use the pre-built apps which gives you, if you adapt, you gives in one day how much material required to build any structure, how much time you need to build the structure, how many manpower you require. There are some apps, I forget the name of that apps, but the Americans have. But in India, you can see that people are using AutoCAD. It is the last option of the civil engineer to design the buildings or anything. But India is not adapting the foreign style. So this is the so that's why I'm telling. I feel that India needs the better technology and working style for the development.
Okay. What do you want people to understand about civil engineers that they usually misunderstand?
Actually, people think that civil engineers means constructions of the building and roads, but it is not only the it is the building of the roads and constructions. If you see the civil engineer, there are various fields comes in the civil engineer, like survey. People think that survey is not come under the civil engineer, so it is the work of the army. But it is not the work of army, it is the work of the civil engineer doing the survey. Second thing that environment related things like plantation and plantation, I forget the name. Different types of the crops and how to make the land fertile. This also comes under the civil engineer. If you will see one of the subject is the environmental engineering, and there we are read various types of the civil engineering. And third thing is, and one more thing that about the civil engineer. People think that civil only to what I can say. People think that okay, civil engineers are only I don't get the actual word.
Okay, no.
In English. People think that I tell. People think that civil engineers are only working in the building sector wherever they think that wherever the power generating company is there is no work of the civil engineers there. People mindset is like that. But actually, if you see, is any field, it is a power generating sector, it is the water related sector, it is the transportation related sector, any type of the field is there, requirement of civil engineers is there. Not only the requirement of civil engineer, mechanical engineer and electrical engineer. These three engineers are required at every field, but people think that it is the power generating company. So what is the role of the civil engineer there? Yes, the role of the civil engineer is there, because whenever you are installing any machine, any type of the equipment, gadgets, then you need to construct the base. You need to you need to construct the footing which can carry the load and transfer to the ground. So you need to run civil engineer there. At the starting time you need the civil engineer, and the second engineer that you require is the mechanical engineer, because mechanical engineer are those who can plan the how to install the system there, how you from which place you need to give the support, how you can give the minimum support which can hold the machine for the long time. And and third is the civil electrical engineer. Without power you can't do nothing. So the requirement of electrical engineers is at every field. But nowadays people think that it is the power or related company. So what is the role of their civil engineers? No, role of the civil engineers is everywhere.
Oh, I have one amazing and interesting question. When you were standing at a construction site, what do you see first that normal people don't even notice?
Safety.
Okay.
Because what happened, yes, generally it every field where our first priority is the safety. But what we have said that people are getting habituated to work without safety helmet, without reflecting jackets, without safety shoe, without proper hand gloves, without proper eye protection, without proper wherever the welding was for everything, without proper the face shield. So safety is the very safety plays a very major role in the construction field, because nowadays what happened, people think that what is the role of the helmet, we are working in open air environment. But what happens sometimes, people sometimes some material are we have to lift the material on through the height, so sometimes it fall and people get injured. Sometimes people have to work on height and people get fall and they get cut on head and suddenly they have died. Even some cases has happened in my company also. So safety is the major thing there. Sometimes people have to people are habituated to work without hand gloves, but hand gloves is the very important. Generally people get the cut, but after getting the cut, people think people continuously tell us that we are not able to work without with hand gloves. So we should have to work without hand gloves. But it is our duty to provide the hand gloves. Safety related matters, material every time. Safety related peoples every time. So most important thing that is ignored by the people is safety.
How do you see artificial intelligence influencing civil engineering in next few years?
Civil engineering, yeah. Actually, the main role of the AI nowadays, according to my view, the main role of the AI in the civil engineering is to make the design. After the survey, AI can give the take the very least time and AI can give the very brilliant way and very meaningful design for the construction of the building. If we are using AI for the designing of the building and not only building buildings. But yeah, nice to talk.
In last thing, I have to thank to you that it's a pleasure meeting and talking to you. It's really gonna help me a lot, and to everybody, you're a very mature person. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay.